Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the big news items this year was the CrowdStrike problem, where a update that was pushed crashed millions of PCs, and particularly PCs that were used in so many different places that just made tons of services that people use go offline suddenly. And so it created a really big problem. It's interesting because the millions of PCs is very small amount of PCs that actually were there, but they were crucial. They were PCs used in major systems. So the impact was big. The next day, Microsoft said, we'll prepare a summit that we hope that you will attend, where we're going to give guidelines as to the future of how security works and how to safely update. And to also, because, one of the things you might say is, yeah, it's easy to say, but, how that can be prevented in the future totally is another story. So what they did is, of course, contact and a lot of security vendors attended the summit. It was done on September 10th, and they actually have given security researchers, security companies, a kind of a guide that is what to do and not to do, and how to deploy safely security updates in the future so that we can prevent that type of problem. Also, one of the things that was mentioned is, we're competition, but we're not enemies. We got to understand that. We got to work together. Even though we are competition, we can still work together when something happens, because there was a lot of problems that resulted also in many companies refusing help. Microsoft itself had offered free help to quickly put things back to normal, and it was apparent that a lot of companies didn't want it. And I think Microsoft this is one of the things they're saying. It's like, look, we're here to help you. We wanted to help you, but if you don't want this to happen again in the future, or at least not long enough to be a big impact, we got to work together. So it'll be interesting to see if in the future this changes anything. But one thing for sure is that I think security vendors are now probably double checking everything, because they see the impact and they also see how much money it can cost you if you goof up with a security update. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.